Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to make pork cordon bleu with gravy. We will need 400 grams pork loin or lomo, 4 pieces of cheese, 4 pieces of ham, half cup all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, one cup breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon pepper. For the gravy, we will need 1 cup fresh milk, 2 tablespoons flour, 1/4 of beef cube, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon pepper, and 2 tablespoons of butter. First, season the meat with salt and pepper. Before we assemble the cordon bleu, we will pound the pork. Pound the pork loin to make it thinner and further tenderize the meat. Then arrange the ham and cheese. Carefully roll the meat, securing inside the ham and cheese. Wrap in cling wrap, tightening each side and making sure the meat is compact. Do the same on the rest of the meat. We were able to make 4 cordon bleu rolls and 400 grams pork loin. Chill this in the fridge for 30 minutes. This will help to retain its form. While chilling the meat, we can start to make our gravy. Melt the butter in a small pot in low-medium heat. Then add the flour and stir continuously until it is fully dissolved. Add the beef cube. Followed by 1 cup of milk and continue to stir until the beef cube is dissolved. Add 1/2 cup of water, soy sauce, and pepper and bring to a slight boil until the sauce thickens. You can add more pepper if you like. Continue to simmer for 5 minutes until the sauce thickens. Give it a taste and add some salt if necessary. Unwrap the cordon bleu. The next step is to roll it in flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. I'm using my left hand for the flour and my right hand for the breadcrumbs. This is a less messy way to do this. We're done! Let's head to the kitchen to fry this. Put oil in the pan, enough for deep frying. Set the heat in low to medium. Once the oil is hot enough, carefully place the cordon bleu and cook each side for 4 to 5 minutes until golden brown. Here's our pork cordon bleu with gravy recipe. Try to cook this for your special someone and this will be a sure hit. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!